Let's welcome to the stage Satakshi Gupta.
English speech by Satakshi Gupta from 8C.
A very warm and gorgeous good morning to you all. This is me Satakshi of Standard 8C standing here to give a speech on the prosperous occasion of 26th January, our Republic Day. A very happy Republic Day to you all. This year, India proudly celebrates its 76th Republic Day in 2025. Do you know why do we celebrate Republic Day? Republic Day is celebrated to honor the historic moment when our nation became independent republic. As we all know that India gained independence on 15th August 1947. However, at that time India did not have its own constitution and it was governed by the laws framed by the British. But after years of deliberation and amendments, a committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted the draft of the Indian Constitution on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. Since then, 26 January has been celebrated every year as Republic Day, marking the day India truly became a sovereign, republic and democratic nation. Every year, as part of the celebration, India hosts guests of honor, often heads of state or governments from other nations, at the Republic Day parade in the capital. The March Past, one of the most captivating elements of the celebration, showcases India's rich cultural and social heritage as well as its defense capabilities. The President of India, who is Commander-in-Chief of the our Indian Armed Force, takes the salute. On this prestigious occasion, we also remember the heroes of our nation, especially our soldiers who selflessly dedicated their lives to protecting the nation. Prestigious awards are represented to martyrs and other brave individuals in recognition of their service and sacrifice. Our Constitution declares India as a sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic nation. It ensures justice, equality, liberty and fraternity for all the citizens and provides us with fundamental rights and duties. On this Republic Day 2025, let us remind ourselves of the importance of upholding these principles and values, no matter who we are, be it a powerful politician and a regular citizen. As we continue to build our nation, we must never forget the strong foundation laid by our Indian Constitution. India is a democratic country, and as citizens of a democracy, we have the privilege of electing our leaders. While we have made significant progress in economic growth and other areas, we still face challenges such as unemployment, poverty, and pollution. It is our responsibility to tackle these hurdles with determination and work together to make India a better place. As we celebrate Republic Day, let us promise to become the better version of ourselves and make sure a brighter future for the generations to come. Thank you. Happy Republic Day and Jai Hind. Jai Hind.